Hello everyone, my name is Amir Abbas. This is a demonstration video of a project predicting the Boston housing prices. This is an assignment module towards the completion of a course of machine learning using Python, which I have learned on the SkyFi Labs. First, we have to import some important libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Func Animation, Load underscore Boston, mean underscore squared underscore error for mean square error calculation, train underscore test underscore split for splitting the testing data. Now load the dataset by using the function load underscore Boston. By using .descr, we can describe the dataset. Now put the data into the pandas data frame by using pd.dataframe function. We can check the features of any column from the dataset by using feature function. I have featured text here. Now assigning the target features for the prediction of the prices by using pd.dataframe function. For obtaining the maximum and minimum target values, we can use the function max and min. Now concatenate features and target into a single data frame by using pd.concate function. Here target values are concatenated with the features values. Now descriptions of the data frame by using describe function, and also rounding the decimal values up to 2. In second phase, calculate the correlation between every columns of the data frame for the data visualization by using df.corr function. Here we are using Pearson correlation. Make a list of pairs by using list command, and also sort the list of pairs in descending order. Now plot the correlation with respect to the target values as a bar graph. Here a bar graph between correlation with the target values versus attributes. Here we have used absolute values for the correlation ABS, that's why all values are in positive. Now normalize the data with minmax scalar by using scalar.fit underscore transform function. Now split the dataset into test and train dataset. Here 0.2 means the 20% of data is reserved for testing dataset. Now we are making 3 functions: error functions, update function, and gradient descent function. This algorithm we are using it. Now for gradient descent method, here plot the regression curve by using plt.plot function, and also by labeling axis by using plt.ylabel for y-axis and plt.xlabel for x-axis. Now move for the animation part. Here is the animation regression curve between actual and predicted prices. Now visualization of the learning processes by plotting scatter plot by plt.scatter function. It is a 2D representation. Now predicting the prices of Boston houses. Here mean underscore squared underscore error value is 0.019. Now, representing the predicted values of the Boston housing prices by P dot head. Here are the values. Now again reshaping the array of repeat the normalization. We again predict the values of the Boston houses prices. Thank you.